in the gospel text of today, which is taken from chapter 13 of the Gospel of John, verses 16 to 20, Jesus gives a mandate to his disciples. He has given them an example just a few verses before when he washed their feet. And the washing of the feet is not merely a gesture of service. It is a prophetic gesture of giving of one's life completely. And so Jesus begins talking to them today and saying at the beginning of today's text that a servant is not greater than his or her master. It is enough for the servant to be as the master is, to imitate the master. The messenger is not greater than the one who sends the messenger. And so therefore, the disciples and each one of us are messengers of the Lord. And even as we are messengers of the Lord, he is calling us to communicate to people what he has said to us. And what he has said has been shown particularly in these verses, in the washing of the feet. He has shown that the giving of one's life in service is a life well lived. A life that is lived only for oneself and selfishly and self-centeredly is a life not worth living. So in the gospel text of today, he speaks about sending his disciples as his representatives, as his ambassadors, as a revelation of what they have experienced of the Lord. And the disciples go out and the disciples make the Lord present to those whom they meet. The same Lord is inviting us today to also make him known. When I reach out to someone in need, when I speak an enhancing word, a positive word, a word which boosts someone, then I am being a representative, an ambassador, a revelation of the Lord. Will I be an alter Christus, another Christ, to at least one person today?